So we're playing Melon Playground. Let's go play. Hobby. I'm gonna make myself. Today, I'm gonna be exploding a melon. That's really so sweet. 3, 2, 1. Pabugus. Let's see some food. First, let's just make blood skull. Good thing I saved it. Wanna see my OCs? Here's my OC. My second OC first. You need to slow motion it or it will go away. What is the base mode of him? Look at him, he's so big and this is ruler hand. Ruler hand. Next, my third. This is my first OC. This melon win. That's why I call him melon win, because he just walked. My fourth. Because he just survived from the chainsaw thing. Ah! Oh my goodness! My car. This is the testing effect. 3, 2, 1, a melon. I'm here to suppose. Get out of here now. Oh, sorry. That's my core, guys. That's cool. I want to save him. A cage. And my fourth OC stuck. Hello. Wait, what's happened to him? He looks weird. Wait, is he tall before? He looks tall. Wait, I listened to the chainsaw sound. He looks suspicious about the sound. I'm just gonna stay, guys. I'm going to let this melon freeze until 24 hours. I'm back, and it's almost 3 minutes. And I mean, it's been a... No, never mind. I just paused it. Sorry, guys. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Okay, let's just delete this and bye.